John.
Hey, Anna. Wow, you look very awake today. Did you drink like 5 cups of coffee?
No, only one. I just had a good night's sleep.
That's impressive. I stayed up too late watching videos again.
Oh no, what time did you sleep?
Maybe 1:30 a.m.
John?
I know. Bad habit.
Yes, sleep is important, especially for daily life. If you don't sleep well, your whole day feels strange.
That's true. Today I feel a little slow. My brain is like, please wait. Loading.
Same. Sometimes my brain needs 5 minutes to start working. So, John, let's talk about daily life today, like normal, simple things we do every day.
Oh, I like that. Simple English, real life.
Yes, beginners can learn from daily life conversations.
Okay, so let's start with mornings. What time do you usually wake up?
On weekdays, I wake up at 6:30 a.m.
Wow, that's early.
Not really. I like slow mornings. I don't like to rush.
I rush every morning. I wake up at 7:30 and I leave at 8.
Only 30 minutes? What do you do in that time?
Everything very fast. I brush my teeth, I wash my face, I get dressed. Sometimes I eat toast.
Sometimes?
Yeah, sometimes I skip breakfast.
That's not good.
I know, but I'm not very hungry in the morning.
I'm always hungry. The first thing I think about is food.
What do you eat?
Usually oatmeal with fruit or eggs and toast. And coffee. Always coffee.
Coffee is life.
Yes, coffee is love, coffee is happiness.
You sound emotional about coffee.
I am.
So after breakfast, what do you do?
After breakfast, I take a shower. I listen to music while I get ready.
Oh, nice. What kind of music?
Soft pop music, something calm.
I listen to loud music.
Really?
Yes, it wakes me up. Boom, boom, boom.
Your neighbors must love that.
They probably hate me.
Poor neighbors.
But music helps me feel awake. Without music, I feel sleepy all day.
That's true. Music changes your mood. How do you go to work?
I drive.
How long does it take?
About 25 minutes, if traffic is good.
And if traffic is bad?
40 minutes, sometimes 1 hour.
Oh no, that's stressful.
Yeah, I don't like traffic. People drive crazy sometimes.
I take the bus.
Oh, really? How long?
About 30 minutes. I like it because I can relax. I look outside. I sometimes read a book.
That sounds peaceful.
Yes, but sometimes the bus is very full and someone stands too close.
Oh, I hate that. Personal space.
Exactly.
So, what's your typical day at work?
Well, I start at 9 a.m. First, I check my emails.
Same. So many emails.
Too many emails.
Sometimes I think, who is sending all these emails?
Yes, and half of them are not important.
True.
After emails, I have meetings. We talk to my team, we plan projects.
Do you like meetings?
Sometimes, but not long meetings.
Yes, long meetings are dangerous.
Dangerous.
Yes, because I start thinking about lunch.
Same. Okay, let's talk about lunch. Very important topic.
Very important.
What do you usually eat for lunch?
Sometimes I bring food from home, like rice and chicken, or a sandwich.
That's healthy.
Sometimes I buy fast food, like burgers.
Not healthy.
I know, but burgers are delicious.
They are, I understand.
What about you?
I usually bring a salad or pasta.
You're very organized.
Not always. Sometimes I forget and then I'm very hungry.
That's the worst feeling.
Yes, when you are hungry and busy. Do you feel sleepy in the afternoon?
Every day at 3 p.m.
Same time for me. It's like my body says, nap time.
Yes, but we cannot nap at work.
Sadly, no.
Sometimes I walk outside for 5 minutes. Fresh air helps.
That's smart. I drink more water or tea.
Tea is good. Coffee again?
No. If I drink coffee at 3 p.m., I can't sleep at night.
That's my problem. I drink coffee at 5 p.m.
That's too late.
I know. I never learn.
What do you do after work?
First, I go home, I sit on the couch, and I do nothing for 10 minutes.
Just nothing?
Yes, I just sit, quiet. It feels amazing.
I understand. After a long day, silence is nice.
Then I cook dinner, or sometimes I order food.
What do you like to cook?
Simple food. Pasta, rice, eggs. I'm not a chef.
Same. I cook simple meals too.
Cooking every day is hard.
Yes, it takes time and energy.
Do you exercise?
Yes, 3 times a week.
Wow, I'm impressed.
I go for a walk or do yoga at home.
Yoga looks relaxing.
It is, but some positions are hard.
I tried yoga once.
And?
I fell.
Oh no.
The instructor said, relax. I was not relaxed.
Yoga takes practice.
Now I just go to the gym sometimes.
That's good too. What time do you eat dinner?
Around 7:30.
Same.
Then I watch TV.
What do you watch?
Funny shows. I like to laugh before bed.
That's healthy.
What about you?
I read books or I call my family.
That's sweet.
Yes, I like talking to my mom. She asks many questions.
Moms always ask many questions.
Yes. Did you eat? Are you sleeping well?
Classic mom questions.
What time do you go to bed?
I try to sleep at 11 p.m.
Try?
Yes, sometimes it becomes midnight.
Phones are the problem.
Yes, I say just one more video, then 1 hour passes.
Same here sometimes.
Before bed, I brush my teeth and wash my face.
Good.
Then I lie in bed and think about life.
Oh, deep thoughts?
No, mostly I think, did I send that email?
That's real life. Are your weekends different?
Very different. I wake up late.
How late?
Maybe 9:30 or 10 a.m.
That's nice.
And I make a big breakfast. Pancakes sometimes.
Yum, I love pancakes.
Weekends feel slower, more relaxed.
Yes, I clean my apartment on Saturday morning.
Oh, right, cleaning.
Not fun, but important.
I clean while listening to music. It makes it better.
That's smart. Do you like your daily routine?
Mostly yes. I like having structure,
Structure is good.
but sometimes I feel bored.
Me too, when every day feels the same.
Yes, wake up, work, eat, sleep, repeat.
That's why hobbies are important.
Exactly. What's your hobby?
Photography. I take pictures on weekends.
That's cool.
It makes life more interesting. I paint sometimes.
Really? I didn't know that.
Yes, just for fun. I'm not very good.
It doesn't matter. It makes you happy.
Exactly.
You know, daily life sounds simple, but it's important.
Yes, small things matter.
Coffee in the morning,
Music in the shower,
lunch with coworkers,
a phone call with family.
a quiet moment on the couch.
These small things make life beautiful.
Wow, that was deep.
I'm in a thoughtful mood today.
Maybe it's the good sleep.
Maybe.
So, everyone watching, what is your daily routine like?
Yes, tell us in the comments.
Do you wake up early?
Do you drink coffee?
Do you skip breakfast like me?
Don't skip breakfast.
Okay.
Thank you for talking with me today, John.
Thank you, Anna. This was nice. Simple, real.
Daily life English is the best English for beginners.
Yes, because it's real life.
See you next time.
Bye, everyone.